What's up, traders? Welcome back to another edition of Top Alerts from ISW. This is Tim from Volatility Trading. Let's just jump right into it. All right, traders, and as usual, not going in any particular order, just starting from the beginning of the week and headed to the end of the week. So starting us off at number 5, we have SRNE, and this was a bearish signal, and we got it right here at the top around 275. And what a beautiful move here at the bell. Gave us a little bit of a dip and then decided to go higher. But if you scaled into this properly, you even got the bouncy ball effect, and this thing came on down. And if you had leftovers for later in the day, you actually got lucky. They did a midday offering, and this thing absolutely plummeted. So if you had some nice leftovers, you got rewarded pretty well. So again, this was right off the scanner SRNE. What a way to start off the week. On to the next one. All right, traders, number 4, we have SPWR and another bearish alert. Again, right at the bell, had the volume come in. Our alert was right at 1163. Let's go ahead and mark that on the chart. It was pretty much a top tick. So 1163, it was a top tick. So we got the alert right at the top. It reverses, gives us the bouncy ball effect, a nice little lower high, and then just absolutely plummets to its death. And then it fades the rest of the day. So again, if you had leftovers for any of this, just kept on going. It never showed signs of resuscitation. And on to the next one. All right, traders, number 3, we have MITO. And again, a little bit of a bearish week so far. And we get the, what was the alert at? The alert was at 803. It actually gave us a second alert up at 841. So 803. And then 841 was the second. So on the way up, could have been a little bit early, but that's why we have risk management in play. That's why we love scaling into these trades on the front side. And that's exactly what these scanners are meant to do. When these scanners give you an alert, they're meant to be early. Sometimes it'll top tick them, but a lot of times they're just meant for you to bring the chart up, assess the chart, see if it fits your strategy and your edge, and look to make an entry if it does. So in this case, it did its job. It alerted us at 803. Even alerted us again here at 841, and it ended up coming all the way up here for the high of day, which ended up being $9 exactly. So if we scaled into this correctly, look at the drop we get all the way down here into the 6s, the high 6s. So that's a pretty awesome trade if you ask me. Nice intense move, stronger the move, weaker the trend. On to the next one. All right, coming in at number 2, we have AUPH. The alert was at 371. Not sure what I'm hitting there. Let's pull up 371 right there. So we get the move. As you can see, look at VWAP. Never really extended too far away from it until right here we start to get a drop. We consolidate, go lower, consolidate, and then we get that big intense move. And this is where our alert came in at 371. Gets all the way down there to about 352 before making the nice little retrace back up towards VWAP up here over $4. So giving us a nice move on the big intense move down. We get the nice move back up, and that was a nice one. So on to the next one. All right, and coming in at number 1, we have SES, and this thing was giving us alerts all day. And as you can see, we're going to focus on the red candles here, because pretty much on every single one of these red candles you see, we were getting alerted on the bullish side of things. Obviously, we're getting the down move, looking for the buy to get the move back up. So on each one of these, you can see we get the move, and then it decides to dump, and this was a really big intense one. This one, it kind of goes sideways a little bit, but then we get a dump again, and kind of goes sideways, and just, sometimes longs take longer. It kept finding support in that same general area, and we get a nice move up, big spike, consolidate, and then we get one right here before the bell. And this actually all happened after hours, so we don't tend to necessarily like to count after hours, but you can't not count the effort here from SES in the after hour time frame. But even if we look before the market closed right here, even if you got any of this down move here into the bell, This down move here, looking into this spike here, this down move, consolidate. If you had your risk set here, you still got part of this. And same here, if you had this big down move and you had this down here, and this was another one over here that was alerted. This candle, as you can see, it alerted and it got bought right back up and then just kind of grinded its way up. So SES was just giving alerts nonstop, just looking for people to buy this thing up. And pretty much every time that it was giving us the alerts to buy it up, everybody was buying it up, because as you can see, it just kept forming support, and eventually I guess all the shorts got squeezed out, and it took until the after hours, but this thing really squeezed up to end the week. So it'll be interesting to watch this one on Monday and see what it does in the pre-market. But for now, that's all I have for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to see some of these in play, come check me out. I'm Tim over at Volatility Trading. I have my own channel, you know, do some things here and there. But don't forget to take a look at intensity stockwatch scanners. These things are powerful. Even in slow markets like Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday this week, it was still finding alerts. Go check it out. It's right on the website. Plenty of proof to choose from. Until next week, I'll catch you later. Peace.